Hi, I'm Kyle with Maverick Car Company, and I'm going to answer a couple questions for you today. So your heating system runs off of your engine coolant. So the coolant that runs through your engine to cool down your engine actually gets recirculated into the cabin, going into something called the heater core. And it heats up that core, and then air passes through it, heating up your cab. So there's a couple reasons your heater could stop working or have poor performance. Getting debris or corrosion inside of the heater core, which is under the underside of your dash between your firewall and the passenger compartment. If it gets clogged or filled with things, it can start having passageways in it that don't pass coolant through it, therefore not heating the air. And you can usually have a flush done to clean that out, or have somebody test the flow of your heater core to see if it needs to be replaced. So if your thermostat gets stuck open or stuck closed, you can have some heating issues depending on how the heating system is routed through the engine. So it's kind of different for every car. So the heating system is part of the cooling system. It is more difficult to test and work on yourself rather than somebody who's trained to do so. So I would recommend taking it to a shop where a professional can look at it, diagnose it properly, and also do the intensive labor to actually replace your heater core, whatever component needs replacing.